Hello friends, welcome back to Free Automation Learning channel and my name is Chirag. Today we are going to discuss how we can set up Python on Eclipse. As in previous video we have discussed how we can install Python on Windows machine. As if those guys who do not watch my previous video how to install Python, please go and watch, because to set up Python on Eclipse Python should be installed on Windows machine or the machine which you are using. So I really recommend, and please go and watch my previous video if you do not watch. And how to install Python on Eclipse. So first there is a first precondition, as Eclipse version should be higher than Neon. And to install Eclipse version, you should go and download Eclipse and click on Eclipse download. Here you can see that Oxygen is the latest version when I'm creating this video. So you can just go and download Oxygen version for Eclipse, and if you have the Neon version, that it is also good. And after that we need to install one plugin, Eclipse plugin, and this install pydev from pydev.org, right? So I will give this URL on my description of this video. You can go and copy this URL from my video description. So what we have to do, first I will open my Eclipse and I am going to show you about. So you can see this is the Oxygen version. And after that what we have to do, we have to go install new software, and just go here and copy this URL and paste over here and press enter. So you can see this two version has been displayed. Click on this pay tab, as I already discussed. So as I already installed this version, so the next button is not enable, and when you are going to install this, then this next button will enable, and you have to just accept the license and click on next. When you will download this plugin on Eclipse, then you need to restart your Eclipse. So how you can identify or get to know that this pydev plugin is installed or not, just go Windows and goes perspective, open perspective, others, and just select pydev. You can see this display over here. Clicked on open. As I already opened my pydev, so it is nothing shown here, right? After that you have to go Windows preferences, and after that preferences you have to click on pydev, expand this. Let me maximize this, expand this. After that you need to click on interpreters, this, and after then Python interpreters, right? So in this you have to first in this should be as a blank, as I already set up my this python.exe here. Once you have downloaded pydev, this should be a blank, so you have to create new, put the Python version 3, as I'm using 3.6, so you have to the Python version which you have downloaded, put that name here as Python 3.7 in case you, and just browse. As when I download my Python, I download it at my default path, so it is installed on this path. So you have to according to your path where you have downloaded your Python. Just go and get here, browse and get here. After that you will have to apply, click on apply and close. So this is necessary. If you do not give the interpreter .exe to Eclipse, then the Python will not work on Eclipse, right? So this is the 3 steps which you have to perform to set up Python on Eclipse. After that we will create a new project. Go and new and click this paydev project, as I will give its tutorial Python, and I give a create src folder. So you have to click on this, click on next and click on finish. So you can see that tutorial Python has been successfully set up. And after that you can see there is a src folder, so you have to create a new package. Package name will com.automation.python len and click on finish. So you can see that this has been now I have successfully set up or created a package. Now I will go and created new paydev model. As what is this model? Model is a file in which we have put a similar kind of code, right? So you can see there is a package, and under package there is a paydev model where we have kept same kind of code, and this module contains multiple class file. So it depends accordingly how we have to manage our code. So I have created this first module, let's say, and clicked on finish. So you can see that it is asking me what kind of you have to create this model. So I have to create a class. So I will explain what is a class in Python and what is a unit test. All of these things I will discuss you in future videos. Till now just I'm creating a first module class or first class, and you can see that by default it has been shown this, right? So this is a init. I will explain you this is a constructor, how we can invoke this. First I'm just going to create a first method. So how we can create a function in Python we will discuss. These are def keyword. By using this keyword we will create a function. So I'm just going to show you print first a demo code. And what is a self? We will discuss about a self in future video. Just in this video just focus on how we can set up on Eclipse, and I'm just going to run a code through Eclipse so that you can understand how we can run our code, Python code through Eclipse. So here I'm just going to print Python is working and Control S. Now after that I have click on run as. So you can see the two option has been displayed, and I am going to use Python run. Okay, one more thing I have to do. I have to call this function under main. So what is a main? We will discuss this main, and I have to create an object of my class. After that, obj dot, and we will run. So you can see the Python is rocking is display here, right? So this is the way how we can run our code, and we can run our code in different way. It depends on how you are going to run your code. So let me comment this, how we can comment. We will see in this comment how we can comment what is a main, how we will create object in further videos, right? So let me run this again and we will see. Okay, so it is asking for the object. Let me pass object over here and we will see whether it will run or not. So you can see by passing object, it's run. Python is rocking, right? So this is a different way how we can run. Here I just create an object and call this method, and in this I will not create an object. I just directly call my print first method or function. So thank you guys for watching this video, and hopefully you understand the concept and how we can set up